Welcome back. A lot of you want to find a way to help while you're at home during this crisis.
You may have seen or heard about efforts like this from North Memorial Health and about the need for homemade protective masks for healthcare workers. These are instructions on how you can make them. I talked with one woman who's pulling together thousands of people to do just that. The public sewing rooms at Anoka County libraries are closed for now. That's where Mobile Menders does its work on a monthly basis, fixing simple clothing items for anyone who needs. But now Mobile Menders has joined a larger fight to create homemade reusable masks for healthcare workers.
It has to happen. It is happening. And we have what we need to make it happen. And with our network, the piece that's fun is that this is coming out of our craft rooms. It's coming out of, right? It's coming out of our closets, right? People are using, 100% woven cotton, sheets, pillowcases, things like that. So we're using things that already exist. And so that ties right back into our, you don't need to go make a purchase to be effective. And that's pretty powerful.
Kearns began Junket Tossed and Found several years ago, and along the way it's morphed from a secondhand store to a larger effort to create sustainable workflow environments.
My business really launched out of a recognition that the waste stream, like the consumer waste stream, was like I'd had a couple of early experiences right after becoming a parent where I saw what was going on there. I'm like, I can't leave my kid and her generation to this.
Now she's tapped into her network to reach as many people as she can who can not only make masks,
PPE such as face shields or gowns, etc. And so that work of aggregating and centralizing what the need is ongoing.
And she's making it easier for Minnesotans to give what they have to help the larger fight.
This is where I'm coming from. Here's the zip code. I understand. Hey, I can sew these, but I'm missing materials. Oh, hey, I can sew. I have my own materials, but I need someone to pick them up from me. Or, hey, I don't know how to sew, but I'm happy to cut material to make kits, or I'm happy to drive things around. So our goal was to create like these community networks within specific geographic areas. So we didn't have somebody in Blaine driving elastic down to Apple Valley.
So they can put stay-at-home energy to better use.
People are really nervous. And so having a way to channel that energy into something other than thinking about our worries is also really important.
We'll put links to that website in our story at northmetrotv.com.
That's also where you'll find information about city and local government programs and schedules during the COVID-19 shutdown.